Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to learn the story. The name of the story is Alenishka. Unit number 3, page number 39. Alenishka. Alenishka हे एका लहान मुलीचे नाव आहे. ही मुलगी तिच्या इव्हानिष्का नावाच्या छोट्याशा भावाला शोधण्यासाठी बाहेर पडते. तिच्या लहानशा भावाला हंस पक्ष्यांनी उचलून नेलेलं असतं आणि चेटकिनीकडे दिलेलं असतं. चेटकिनीच्या स्वाधीन केलेलं असतं. तर चेटकिनीच्या तावडीतून ती आपल्या भावाला कशी सोडून आणते, वाटेमध्ये तिला कोण कोण भेटतं, ते तिला कोणकोणत्या अटी घालतात, मार्ग दाखवण्यासाठी, वाट दाखवण्यासाठी तिला कोणकोणत्या गोष्टींचा सामना करावा लागतो, संघर्ष करावा लागतो, आणि ती आपल्या भावाला इव्हानिष्काला चेटकिनीच्या तावडीतून कशी सोडवून आणते, ते सारं या गोष्टीतून तुम्हाला ऐकायला मिळणार आहे. तर ही स्टोरी तुम्ही इंग्लिशमधूनच ऐका. मराठीत भाषांतर टाळून इंग्रजीमधूनच ही स्टोरी आपल्याला समजते का? ही स्टोरी ऐकण्याचा काळजीपूर्वक ऐका आणि ही स्टोरी समजून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. स्टोरी रीडिंग चालू असताना त्यांच्या उच्चारांकडे, शब्दांच्या उच्चारांकडे अतिशय काळजीपूर्वक लक्ष द्या. त्यांचा अर्थ समजावून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. ही स्टोरी पुन्हा पुन्हा ऐका, पुन्हा पुन्हा वाचण्याचा प्रयत्न करा आणि समजावून घेण्याचाही प्रयत्न करा. ओके स्टुडंट्स, लिसन केअरफुली, लक्षपूर्वक ऐका. Once upon a time, there was a girl called Alenishka. Alenishka lived with her father, mother, and baby brother Ivanushka. One day, mother said to Alenishka, "Daughter, we are going out to work. Be a good girl and look after your baby brother." Father and mother went away. Soon Alenishka forgot all that her mother had said. She seated her baby brother on the grass, ran out to her friends, and began to play with them. She clean forgot to look after her baby brother. Suddenly, a flock of geese came flying. They swooped down, picked up her baby brother, and flew away with him. "Look, Alenishka!" cried one of the children. "The geese are flying away with your baby brother." "Stop, stop, you wicked birds!" said Alenishka. But it was no use. She ran after the birds. The birds flew faster and faster and were soon out of sight. Poor Alenishka! What could she do? She sobbed and wept. But then she got up and said, "I must bring back my baby brother." Away ran Alenishka to where the birds had flown. She ran and ran till she came to an oven. "Oven, oven, tell me where the geese have flown." "Eat a slice of my wheat bread first," said the oven. "What? Eat a slice of wheat bread? At home we don't eat even wheat cakes." So the oven kept quiet. Alenishka ran on. But then she turned back and said, "I'm sorry, oven. I had like to taste your wheat bread." Alenishka ate a slice of wheat bread, and the oven showed her the way. She thanked the oven and ran on. Soon she came to an apple tree. Apple tree, tell me where the geese have flown. Eat one of my wild apples first, said the apple tree. What? Me eat wild apples? At home we don't eat even garden apples. So the apple tree kept quiet. Alunushka ran on. But then she turned back and said, I'm sorry, apple tree. I'd like to taste your apples. She ate a wild apple, and the apple tree showed her the way. She thanked the apple tree and ran on. Soon she came to the milk river. Milk river, please tell me where the geese have gone. Have some milk first, said the milk river. Alunushka thought, have milk? At home, I don't touch even cream. But then she thought, no, I must not say that. So she had some milk, and then the milk river showed her the way. She thanked the milk river and ran on. She ran over the fields and through the woods. At the edge of a wood, she saw a hut on hen's feet, turning round and round. Inside the hut sat Baba Yaga, the witch, and as the hut turned, Alunushka saw Ivanushka sleeping in a corner. Alunushka was frightened. But what could she do? She went inside the hut. Who are you? Asked the Baba Yaga. And why have you come? I'm Alunushka and I have come to take my baby brother, said she, and picked up her baby brother. Come to take your baby brother? Laughed Baba Yaga. I have got your baby brother and now I have got you too. Oh no, you haven't, said Alunushka, holding Ivanushka. She jumped out of the hut and began to run back home again. Then Baba Yaga, the witch, called up the geese. Go after the children and bring them back to me, she shouted. The geese went flying after the children. Alunushka ran and ran till she came to the milk river. Milk river, hide us please. Quickly the milk river hid the children. The geese couldn't find them and turned back. Alunushka began to run again, but the geese saw the children and came after them. Holding her brother, Alunushka ran and ran till she came to the apple tree. Apple tree, hide us please. Quickly, the apple tree hid the children in its branches. The geese couldn't find them and turned back. Alunushka began to run again, but the geese saw the children and flew after them. Holding her brother, Alunushka ran and ran till she came to the oven. Hide us, please, oven, said Alunushka. Quickly the oven hid the children. The geese couldn't find them. They flew round and up and down, but it was no use. At last, they turned and flew back to Baba Yaga. Then Alunushka crawled out of the hut, out of the oven, with her baby brother and ran home with him. And before long, father and mother came home too. This story adapted from a Russian fairy tale. Okay, students? Thank you. Read this story again and again. At first, listen this story, Alunushka, very carefully and read it again and again. Okay, students? Thank you.